Hello, today I'm gonna show you how you can change your website name on Shopify. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Okay, let's dive in. So first, go ahead and log in your Shopify. And in here, just go over to the left side and at the bottom left corner, there will be settings icon like this. Click on that. And once you're here, on the left side again, just look for domain and it's right here. Click on this and you can see all of your domains. Now I'm currently using this domain and it's currently selected like this. But if you just created your new Shopify, your domain will look like this. Now, if you don't change your domain yet, there will be a button here that says you can change your domain. But since I changed mine to etomax.myshopify.com, it's already registered as this. Now, if you want to change your domain again, or if you want to add a new domain, it's not available on free trial because currently I'm using free trial, that's why I can't show you that options. But if you have the paid version, then you can just buy domain right here and then you can add your domain. Or if you have an existing domain that you want to add here, you can just click on this and then it will automatically register here. So I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.